डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। आज कुछ अलग सा महसूस हो रहा है। I am feeling something different today. I am feeling something different today. उसने मुझे साफ मना कर दिया। He clearly refused me. He clearly refused me. मुझे इस काम में मजा आ रहा है। I am enjoying this work. I am enjoying this work. आज बाहर बहुत गर्मी है। It is very hot outside today. It is very hot outside today. वह बात को दिल पर ले लेता है। He takes things personally. He takes things personally. मुझे अब इसकी परवाह नहीं है। I don't care about it anymore. I don't care about it anymore. आज समय बहुत जल्दी निकल गया। Time passed very quickly today. Time passed very quickly today. मुझे इस पर कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। I have no objection to this. I have no objection to this. वह हमेशा बहाने बनाता है। He always makes excuses. He always makes excuses. मुझे आज खुद पर गर्व है। I am proud of myself today. I am proud of myself today. मुझे आज बहुत जल्दी है। I am in a big hurry today. I am in a big hurry today. वह अभी फ्री नहीं है। He is not free right now. He is not free right now. मुझे यह बाद में याद दिलाना। Remind me of this later. Remind me of this later. आज उसने फोन नहीं उठाया। He didn't pick up the call today. He didn't pick up the call today. मुझे थोड़ा धैर्य रखना होगा। I will have to be patient. I will have to be patient. वह बात को गलत समझ बैठा। He misunderstood the matter. He misunderstood the matter. मुझे आज कुछ नया सीखने को मिला। I learned something new today. I learned something new today. यह काम उतना आसान नहीं है। This work is not that easy. This work is not that easy. मुझे उससे अकेले में बात करनी है। I want to talk to him in private. I want to talk to him in private. आज उसने अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया। He performed well today. He performed well today. मुझे इस नियम की जानकारी नहीं थी। I was not aware of this rule. I was not aware of this rule. वह अपनी गलती मानने को तैयार नहीं है। He is not ready to accept his mistake. He is not ready to accept his mistake. आज सब कुछ समय पर हो गया। Everything got done on time today. Everything got done on time today. मुझे इस फैसले से सहमत होना पड़ा. I had to agree with this decision. I had to agree with this decision. वह बिना वजह परेशान हो रहा है. He is getting worried for no reason. He is getting worried for no reason. मुझे इस जगह की आदत नहीं है. I am not used to this place. I am not used to this place. आज मुझे बहुत कॉल्स आए. I received many calls today. I received many calls today. वह बात को घुमा रहा है. He is beating around the bush. He is beating around the bush. मुझे आज अकेले बाहर जाना है. I want to go out alone today. I want to go out alone today. वह अपनी जिम्मेदारी से बच रहा है. He is avoiding his responsibility. He is avoiding his responsibility. मुझे इस काम का अनुभव नहीं है. I don't have experience in this work. I don't have experience in this work. आज उसने मुझसे माफी मांगी. He apologized to me today. He apologized to me today. मुझे उसकी बात सही लगी. What he said seemed right to me. What he said seemed right to me. वह बिना सोचे फैसले लेता है. He takes decisions without thinking. He takes decisions without thinking. मुझे घर पहुंचने में देर हुई. I got home late today. I got home late today. मुझे इस पर कोई शक नहीं है. I have no doubt about this. I have no doubt about this. वह बात को हल्के में ले रहा है. He is taking the matter lightly. He is taking the matter lightly. मुझे आज ज्यादा बोलने का मन नहीं है. I don't feel like talking much today. I don't feel like talking much today. उसने सबके सामने सच कह दिया. He spoke the truth in front of everyone. He spoke the truth in front of everyone. मुझे यह मौका गंवाना नहीं है. I don't want to miss this opportunity. I don't want to miss this opportunity. आज माहौल थोड़ा अलग है. The atmosphere is a bit different today. The atmosphere is a bit different today. वह अपनी बात पर कायम है. He is sticking to his point. He is sticking to his point. मुझे आज कुछ लिखने का मन है. I feel like writing something today. I feel like writing something today. वह बात को बेवजह खींच रहा है. He is dragging the matter unnecessarily. He is dragging the matter unnecessarily. मुझे इस आदत को बदलना होगा. I will have to change this habit. I will have to change this habit. आज उसने मेरी मदद की. He helped me today. He helped me today. मुझे इस बात का अंदाजा नहीं था. I had no idea about this. I had no idea about this. वह हर स्थिति में शांत रहता है. He stays calm in every situation. He stays calm in every situation. मुझे आज अपने लिए समय मिला. I got time for myself today. I got time for myself today. यह बात मुझे अंदर से छू गई. This thing touched me deeply. This thing touched me deeply.